In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload custom fonts to Canva. If you've got a specific typeface that matches your brand or a client's style, adding it to Canva helps keep every design consistent. Before we begin, make sure you have permission to use the font and that you're on a Canva plan that supports font uploads such as Pro, Teams, Education, or nonprofits. Also, have the font file ready on your computer. Formats like TTF, OTF, and WAF are commonly supported. Start by opening any design in Canva and select a text box so the font menu is visible. At the top, you'll see the current font displayed. Click the current font to open the full font picker. This reveals your available fonts, search, and categories. Taking a moment here to confirm the text is selected helps you immediately preview the result later, so you know you're in the right place. In the font picker, look toward the top or bottom area for the option labeled Upload a Font, and click on Upload a Font. Canva will prompt you to choose the font file from your device. Navigate to where you've saved it, select the file, and confirm. If Canva shows a license confirmation, acknowledge that you have the right to use the font. This is important for avoiding copyright issues, especially if you plan to share templates or collaborate with a team. After you upload, Canva may process the file for a moment. When it's done, the font will appear in your list, typically under a section like Uploaded or Brand Fonts. If you had a text layer selected when you opened the menu, you can simply search for the new font by name and apply it right away. If you don't see it immediately, try typing the first few letters into the search bar to bring it up faster. A few tips if something doesn't look right. Double-check that the file type is supported and that the font isn't corrupted. If your font includes multiple styles, such as regular and bold, each style is usually a separate file, so keep them organized clearly on your computer before uploading. Remember that collaborators will need access to the same brand or team to use your uploaded fonts in shared designs. That's all there is to it. By clicking the current font and then upload a font, you can bring your brand's identity directly into Canva and keep every design on message and on style. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!